Hey, what's up, guys? It's me, Tessa.
And me, Owen.
And today we're back with another video, and it is about
Questions about our dogs and 2 bonus pages about us.
yeah. So we have 4 pages about our dogs and 2 pages about us, bonus pages. Yeah. Let's get on to the video. Transition!
Whoa!
Again, we're gonna play right here. Okay. So we have 4 pages about our dogs and 2 bonus pages about us. So, first, what are your dogs' names? I'll say one, you say one, I'll say one. Okay? Paco,
Libby.
Ruby. Wait, I forgot to. Okay, wait, never mind. How old are they? Paco is 5,
Libby is 10.
and Ruby is 14, 13?
14.
Yeah, okay. And then, where do they sleep? Paco sleeps in my room,
Libby sleeps in Grandma's room.
and Ruby sleeps in Grandma's room. What types are they? Paco is a Chihuahua.
Libby is a mix between a Dalmatian, a Terrier, and a bunch of other things that I can't remember.
And Ruby, we never know. She's a mutt.
A wiener dog.
She's a mutt. Okay.
And a wiener dog.
Have they ever been locked outside? No.
Never.
Have they ever eaten chocolate? Nope.
Nope. Never.
Do they eat every night?
Yes.
Yes. What is their favorite food? Oh, I know this. Paco, his favorite food is a chicken bone.
Libby, her favorite food is chicken. Just regular chicken that I feed her when I...
And then Ruby, I don't know. She
She
likes
likes
cookies. She likes
Yeah.
cookies.
Not milk bones because she's allergic to...
To wheat.
Yeah.
What's their favorite toy? Paco he doesn't really like any.
No.
He likes his Nyla room, but I don't know. Okay.
Libby's favorite toy is probably the tennis ball. She goes ham for that tennis ball.
Yeah, she does. Okay, and Ruby, she likes those squeaker toys.
Yeah.
Okay.
She goes runs after me.
Do they like bones? Definitely.
Yeah.
How heavy are they? Paco's 8
8
pounds.
pounds.
Libby's 40.
20.
No, she's 40.
20 to 40. 20 to 40. Stay.
Ruby's 25.
We don't really know how much. Maybe
Yeah,
30.
no, Libby's heavier than 20, definitely.
30 pounds.
I
30.
think it's 40.
Why are you being so bossy?
Because I know he's 40, because that's what they weighed last time.
You sound like,
No, when we went to the vet, Grandma weighed them, and Libby was like 40
you
pounds.
sound like Bella Lopez.
Well, she was.
And
Libby
Georgia
was-
Messina.
Libby was 40 pounds when she went to the vet last
Whatever.
time. Okay. Do they like chew toys? Paco doesn't.
Yeah, and then the rest of them.
Yeah, they do. Have they gotten into fights? Many
Yes.
times. Do they like human food? Definitely. And are they Trump or Hillary fans? Well, Paco's a Hillary fan because he's from Mexico.
Libby,
She's
I
a
would
Trump.
say
I think she's a
Trump.
fan.
Ruby.
Hillary,
Hillary.
definitely. Do you like? Oh, this is our page.
This is controversial, so sorry.
Oh yeah. Okay. Now to the bonus pages. Do you like movies? Yes. I love movies. What's your favorite movie? Ooh. I think my favorite movie is what was the movie I just went to go see? Belle, the new Belle. Oh my god, it's amazing.
Mine is probably
Mine's the new Belle. The new brand new one.
Let me think. I think Die Hard is my favorite movie.
What's your favorite game?
My favorite game is FIFA. Straight up.
My favorite game is hide and go seek. I don't know why. Okay. Do you like games? Yeah.
Well, no.
He's just kidding. He's being sarcastic. Would you eat a cockroach?
No.
Never.
You just asked these in the Q&A, then what would you?
No, I didn't. What's your fave? I put fave. Well, that's short for favorite. What's your favorite thing in the world? Oh my god, my family.
No, my shelter.
Okay. And the last question. If you were stranded on an island, what would you wish to bring? Oh, and up to 5 items.
Oh.
Like that.
My phone, my backpack.
There's no Wi-Fi.
Oh. Data? No data?
Okay,
Is there data?
I guess.
Okay, good. Alright, so my phone, a radio, a backpack, Paco, and last one, right?
Yeah.
And probably food and water. Food and water count as one.
Okay, food and water. Paco, Mom, Dad, and my phone. Sorry, I leave you out. I'm just kidding. Instead,
No, it's okay because I'll be living the life here.
nope, you're coming with us. Okay, so food and water. My mom, my dad, my Paco. My Paco. Oh, definitely Libby because she would be good to survive. Never mind.
And we can eat that.
Paco, Ruby, Libby, Mom, and Dad. Because if Owen's coming, then he will bring food and water. No. And he can bring my phone along with his phone. So that counts as 1. Okay, we're done. Thank you for watching. Alini, get to come over here.
Bye.
You are like, he doesn't like you guys anymore.
Why can you try and upload this time?
Fine. Okay. Boy, guys.
Bye.
Transition.